before choosing any coaching center, you can follow the following factor. You can consider the following factors. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and in this video we will discussing about which is the best coaching center for SSC in Delhi. So here are some coachings name you can follow. So firstly you can follow the Paramount Coaching Center. Okay, so firstly Paramount Coaching Center, and second is Plutus Academy, third is Career Power, and fourth is KD Campus, and last is Success Mantra. Okay, so last is Success Mantra, and before choosing any coaching center, you can follow the following factor. You can consider the following factors. Okay, firstly you can consider the faculty also. Okay, second is study material, third is infrastructure, and fourth is batch size. Next is success story, mock test and practice sessions, and feedback and reviews. Okay, so you can consider the following factors while you are choosing any coaching. Okay, so thank you so much.